Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, jadi hari ni kita nak bincang, we want to discuss on quiz 3. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, so what do you do when you have this? Okay, first of all, you need to do this first, then and also here. Okay, so 20 divided by negative 5 is 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4 plus, okay, 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Okay, so now plus times positive times negative sign will become negative. So here you will get negative 22. So the answer is D. Okay, next. Okay, what is the prime factor of 70? Okay, what prime factor of 70? Okay, so if it's the prime factor, if it's prime number, it should be 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, yes, 6, no, 7, yes, 9, no. Okay, so we can see here there is few numbers, so 9 is not a prime factor. Okay, so prime factor is the one, prime number is a number that can divide by itself and also number 1 only. Okay, so if 70, if this number is prime number, then it can divide, 70 can be divided by this number without giving any balance. Okay, so we look at here, 70 divided by 2 is 70 divided by 2 is 35. Okay, so yes, 2 is the prime factors of 70. What about 70 divided by 3? 70 divided by 3 is 23.33. Okay, so when we have point here, means we have balance. When we have balance, means that it's not a factor. Okay, so 3 is not a factor of 70. Okay, now we go to 5. 70 divided by 5. Yes, we can divide it without balance, which is 12, right? Okay, then yes, 5 is the factor. 70 divided by 7, yes, 10. So now the prime factor of 70 is 2, 5, and 7. So the answer is C. Okay, number 3. Which of the following is not the common multiple of 4 and 12? Okay, not a common multiple of 4 and 12. Okay, so if it's a common multiple of 4 and 12, okay, you try to divide 36 with 4 and 12. If you can get a whole number, nombor bulat, then it is common multiple. If you cannot get the whole number, it is not common multiple. Okay, so we try one by one. 36 divided by 4, do we got a whole number? Yes. Okay, this is 9. Okay, 36 divided by 12, you get a whole number? Yes. So this is, so means that 4 and 12 is the common multiple. So this is not the answer. We are searching for not a common multiple. Okay, we continue. 60 divided by 4. Okay, we have 15. Okay, so 60 divided by 12, we have 5. So this is also the common multiple. So the answer is no. Okay, so 108 divided by 4. Okay, do we have a whole number? 108 divided by 4. Yes, 27. And 108 divided by 12. Okay, yes, we have here 9, right? Okay, so this is also the common multiple. So the answer is no. Okay, so this might be the probable answer. So let's check. 140 divided by 4. Okay, you will get here 35. And 140 divided by 12, you will get 11.666. Okay, so when it means that this is not her whole number. So 12 is not the common multiple. So the answer is D. Okay. Okay, next. Which of the following pairs of numbers has 6 as the highest common factor? Okay, 6 adalah common factor yang terbesar. Okay, so let's check if it's a common factor. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, it's just you take this pair 12 and 24, you just divide it by 6. Okay, 6. So this becomes 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 4 is 24. And now you can see here, you can further divide it by 2. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now you cannot further divide it. So the highest common factor HCF is 6 times 2. Okay, so it's 12. So it's not 6. So this is not the pair we are searching for. Okay, so next we go to the next one, B, the second pair. You do the same thing. Divide by 6. Okay, why I divide by 6? Because okay, if it's the common common factor, it can be divided by 6. Okay, 6 5 30, 6 7 42. Okay, then now we cannot further divide it. This is the simplest that we can divide both of this number. So here the HCF here is 6. So this is the answer. You can check this one and this one. You will find out that 6 is not the highest common factor of this. Or 6 is the highest common factor. Okay, next. Okay, kejap. Alright. Okay, so now we want to know what is the answer. So first of all, you just turn it into apa kita panggil, pecahan tidak pecahan. Okay, this is mixed number. We turned it into fraction. So 1 times 16 plus 9. So it is 25 over 16. Okay, so sekarang the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, and square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so 5 over 4, we divide it. Okay, so kita akan dapat jawapan dia 1 over 4. Okay, so C is the answer. Next. Alright, so here, so we simplify this. Okay, this one is the cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. Okay, you can just check with your calculator if you don't know. So the multiplication of negative sign and negative sign is positive. So here you will get 15. The answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is not a perfect square? Okay, perfect square is not a perfect square. Okay, so perfect square, what is perfect square? Like this is perfect square because this is 5 times 5 is equal to 5 square. Okay, 5 square. So this is perfect square, 25. Okay, 36 is perfect square because 6 times 6 is 6 square. So it's equal to 36. 50 Okay, we go to 100 first. This is perfect square because 10 times 10 is equal to 10 square. So this is perfect square. Okay, 50. We cannot find two numbers that is equal to multiply two numbers that is equal. When we multiply it, we get 50. Tak boleh, tak ada. Okay, we can have 5 times 10. Okay, we can have what else? 25 times 2. But we cannot find any two similar number. So this is not a perfect square. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, express the ratio in the simplest form. Okay, this ratio in the simplest form. So you just divide it further until it becomes simple. So I can see you can divide it by 6, both number. So it becomes 1, 3. So yes, this is the simplest form. Okay, next. Okay, Siti, Ruhil, and Zawiya share 576 stamps in the ratio of 5, 8, 3. Find the difference between Siti's share and Zawiya's share. So we want to find the perbezaan. So Siti, we will minus it with the stamp that Zawiya have. This is what we will do. Okay, but first we need to find out what is S, what is the value of Siti stamp and the value of Zawiya stamp. Okay, so we do know that this is the ratio, not the real number. This is the ratio. And if you sum up the ratio, 5, 5 plus 8 plus 3, this ratio, it will become 5 plus 3 plus 8, it becomes 16. Okay, so the ratio of total number of stamp is 16. And we know that the total number of stamp is stated there 576. So it means that this 16 is the ratio of this is the ratio form of 576. Okay, so this one we can equate them. Okay, so now we want to find out what is the okay, jadi cara yang kita kena cari, okay, kita nak cari dulu Siti punya, Siti. Okay, Siti is 5, the ratio is 5. Okay, the ratio of Siti to the total number is 16. Okay, this is Siti, this is total number. Okay, Siti stamps. Okay, we want to find out the Siti stamp. So 5 is 5 to 16, the total number is equal to, okay, the total number of Siti stamp, let's say this is X, divide by, and the total number, the real value is 576. Okay, so now what do you do? Okay, kamu cuma perlu bawa 576 to this, so it becomes 5 over 16 times 576. Sorry. Okay, so we will have Siti stamp is equal to, okay, let me calculate. 576 is 180. This is Siti's stamp. Okay, so now let's go to Zawiya. Kita nak cari Zawiya. Okay, so Zawiya stamp. Okay, Zawiya ratio is 3. Okay, to 16, the total number is, let's say this is Y, the total number of stamp of Zawiya. Okay, 576. Because 16, we can equate it is to 576. Okay, so now y is equal to 3 over 16 times 576. Sebab yang ni kita bawa pergi sini dia jadi darab. Okay, so the answer is 108. Okay, so the difference is 180. Kita ambil ni lah, CT minus Zawiyah 108. Okay, so the answer is, okay, wait, 72. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, next. Okay, simplify this. So 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x, we rearrange lah. Okay, minus 3y. Okay, plus y. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4, so x. Negative 1, sorry, negative 3 plus 1, this is 1, is negative 2y. So this is the answer. Where do we have the answer? A. Okay. What is the appropriate integer to represent Lisha's position? Lisha's is at 6 meters below sea level. So below means that it represents negative symbol. So negative 6. Okay. Next. Which of the following inequalities is the converse properties of this one? Okay, so if it's converse properties, let's say we times both sides with negative 1. Same goes to here. We times negative 1 to this side. Okay. So this symbol, when we times negative integer, this symbol will change to the another direction. So it becomes negative 2 is less than 3. Okay, C. Okay, 13. Okay, 13. Simplify this one. So we simplify this. 6x times this one. Okay. 2 times 3x, 6x minus 2 times negative 2, negative 4y. Okay, so negative 3, we times negative, 5y becomes negative 15y. Negative 3 times negative x become positive 3x. Okay, so we gather the like terms. Okay, 6x plus 3x, and this one negative 4y minus 15y. So in the end we will get 9x minus 19y. Okay, so answer is B. Okay, next, diagram 1 shows two straight lines KL and MN. Okay, what is the value of x and y? Okay, so when we have two straight line intersect, okay, so this 2y will be equal to 78. 2y is equal to 78 degrees, so y is equal to 78 degrees divided by 2. Then we will have here 39 degrees, so for y 39, and for x, okay, the x, okay, so what do we have here? This is a straight line KL. Okay, so the summation of 78 and 3x is 180 because it's on a straight line KL. So the total angle here is 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 78. Okay, so that will bring you to, wait, 180 minus 78 is 102. Okay, 3x equal to 102. So x is equal to 102 divided by 3. Okay. So the answer is x is 34. So x 34. Oh, ada kesalahan. This is a mistake here. It should be here 34. Okay, so it's okay. Alright. Next. Alright. So solve this. Okay, let's solve this. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus, okay, square root of negative, okay, square root of, so when we have this, okay, this square root of this will be negative. Okay, it will be negative. Okay, square root, not square root, the cube root of any negative integer, it will be a negative integer lah, if it's cube root. Okay, so we will do this like this. So 8, okay, macam ni lah. So plus minus is minus. Okay, so this one, the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, so now we make the denominator the same, 3. So this one we times by 3. 8 times 3 is 24 minus 2. So we will get 22 over 3. So if we divide this manually, we will get 7, 3, 21. Okay, so it's 7, 1 over 3. So the answer is C. Okay, next. Which of the following consists of two like terms? Okay, when it is a like term, means that the variable are the same. Variables, same variable. Okay, so which one is the same variable? This one? No. Okay, this one is a same variable. So yes. Okay, so we check the other. Okay, no. This is 2t, this is u. No. Okay, so the answer is confirm B. Okay, which of the following angles cannot be constructed by using a pair of compasses? Okay, yang kita tak boleh bina dengan kompas. Kompas ni jangka lukis. So the answer is, actually the answer is here. Okay, so now we go to question 18. Okay, given y minus 4 is 11. Find the value of y. So y minus 4 is 11. So y is equal to 11 plus 4. Okay, you just bring this minus 4 to the other side. Okay, so you got the answer is 15. Okay, arrange the decimal in ascending order. Ascending maksudnya from small to the the highest number. Okay, lowest number to the highest number. Okay, that is ascending. Okay, jadi kita pilihlah mana yang paling okay. Of course, the negative will be the smallest number. But which negative? Okay, the negative with a higher, kita panggil apa? Di nombor dia kita nampak lebih besar ni, without the negative will be the lowest number. Okay, so it start with this one, negative 1.46, followed by negative 0.98. Okay, then we go to the positive integer, which is 0.251, and next is 1.24. This is fourth, and the last one, the highest number is 1.53. So it start with this one. Okay, yes, so this will be the answer C. Okay, the last one, what is the you just, okay, the product of 57 Okay, 57 and okay, so you just buat lah. Okay, 57 times, okay, kamu tukar calculator, kamu dapatlah jawapan. Okay, I'm not sure because my calculator, okay, yes, it's working. Just now my calculator is not working. 876. Yes, so the answer is D. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope it helped you to get all the answer for quiz 3. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.